Hi everyone, this is Shikha Gupta. Today in this video, I am going to discuss something interesting related to English. So let's begin. If I'm not wrong, then it generally happens with most of us. Actually, it happens with most of us when we start learning something new. And when it comes to learning English, then we come up with this mindset that at a certain stage or at a certain point, we will come to know each and everything about English. We will come to know or we will come to learn each and everything about English. We will be mastered in English, or it would help us in speaking English fluent. But I clear you one thing, it doesn't happen like this. And why it doesn't happen? So, English is a language. It has vast things to learn. Like, to get each and everything, it's not possible that at a certain stage we will get to know each and everything in English. No, it's not probably happen. And most prominent things I would tell you that many new words or with several meanings, many modern words come to exist. It is discovered. So, it would be wrong to think or start learning with this mindset that at a certain point or at a certain time you will get to learn each and everything about English, you will get to learn or you will get to know each and everything. No, it's not possible. Yes, but by practicing or having the curiosity of learning something new each day or getting something new, then it would absolutely help you to learn English faster, or it would help you in making your English much better. So, it all depends upon practice. The more you practice, the more it will help you to make anything easy. And practice makes everything easy. So it all depends on you, it's all up to you. That is all I wanted to share with you all. If you really like this video, then please like it and let me know in the comments. That's it. Thank you.